Expand log a power 5 into b power 7 into c power 4 to the base 10. So here log a power 5 into b power 7 into c power 4 to the base 10. So logarithm of product log a b, or you can write c, to the base x equals log a to the base x plus log b to the base x plus log c to the base x. So if I'll apply the formula, here I'll get log a power 5 to the base 10, log b power 7 to the base 10, plus log c power 4 to the base 10. Then I'll use logarithm of power. Logarithm of power, that is log a power m to the base x equals m log a to the base x. So here in place of m, here we have 5, here it is 7, and here it is 4. So if I apply logarithm of power, so it will be like 5 log a to the base 10 plus 7 log b to the base 10 plus 4 log c to the base 10. So in this way we need to expand. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.